இந்த ஒரு திருவுள்ளம் அடைய
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किकेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्य मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे श्रवणं कीर्तनं विष्णोः स्मरणं पादसेवनम् अर्चनं वन्दनं दास्यं सख्यम् आत्मनिवेदनं प्रक्रादनारद पराशरपुण्डरीक व्यासम्बरीशशकशौनकभीष्मदाल्भ्यान् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुनवदिष्ट विभीषणादीन् पुण्यज्ञानिमान् Paramabhagavatam Smarani. So we are discussing about Smarana Bhakti. Even somebody says, where are you going? Which train you are going? Suppose he says Vrindavan Express, Kaveri Express, Godavari Express, Krishna Express, Tungabhadra Express, Sarayu Express, Yamuna Express, Yamuna Expressway. That is also Smarana, because he is saying Vrindavan Express. Perumal thinks like that. Oh, you are thinking of me. You are thinking of Vrindavan. I am meditating upon Vrindavan or Ganga or Yamuna. Okay. Perumal is so pleased. That is power of Smarana Bhakti. And once Perumal says, once you have the preeti towards me, then automatically dhyana will come. Dhyana comes automatically once you have, desire towards me. Goda says, that's why it's very simple to love Perumal. Matrainam Kamangal Matru. Just pray to him. I divert all my desires towards you. This is what is required. I have desires towards many material objects, passion for many material objects like eatables or enjoyment, sensual pleasures, matru. So you divert them. It's easy for you. You are a person capable of turning all my desires towards you. Matranam Kamangal Mattu. This is what Goda says. She doesn't say Matranam Kamangal Adipai. She doesn't say that. Destroy all my desires. So if you destroy all desire, desirelessness doesn't mean destroying all desires. It's absurd. You can't remain without desire. To be without desire is also a desire, right? I want to be without any desire. That's a desire. So it's just stupidity to say that. Remove all desires. Desire should be there only for Perumal and all his objects and Bhagavatas, Acharyas. And carry on. Desire should be there in the right direction. And if it is towards material objects, it's dangerous. If the desire is for Perumal, is Prasadam, is devotees. It's desirable, isn't it? Nobody has said this. The essence of all the Vedas. The secret to love Perumal lies in this. Matrainam Kamangal Mat. Praying him. We can't do that. We can't even remove our desire towards eating sweets or thinking material objects, sensual pleasures. So we have to pray to Perumal to convert, to deflect rather, deviate all our desires towards his lotus feet. That is what is required, right? So what is required is very sincere desire for Perumal and his objects, Perumal and Aradhana and Bhagavatas. So, Kadu sir. So, Emperor desire is very much needed, desire for Perumal and all his objects and all his devotees. So, for that reason, we have to காமங்கள் மாற்றேலோர் எம்பாவாய் அக்ரூரயானம் போலவும் திருவேங்கடயாத்திரை போலவும் So Akrurayanam, Akrura didn't sleep the whole night because Kamsa called him and then said, it's an official tour, you have to go to Vrindavan. From very mouth of Akrura. Krura. Kamsa is a Krura. And Akrura is a servant under the Krura, the cruel fellow. See those words, right? Krura. Cruel. Sanskrit word derivative, right? The most cruel person on the earth was Kamsa. And he is sending Akrura with all official honors, official allowances to bring Krishna and Balaram. Whole day he never slept. What your bhagyam, what your fortune, working under this wretched fellow. Perumal has chosen me to bring him to Mathura from Vrindavan. Whole day it is Uttama Shloka Darishanam. Ho Bhagyam, Ho Bhagyam. So this is what we should learn. We may be working under a Nastika or a cruel person. Still, if we are sincere in our heart, Perumal will see that. Our own boss will send us for a Dividesha Yatra on an official trip with TND and all allowances. One of my friends used to tell me that I'm so fortunate Krishna has blessed me because I chant Deshika Stotram that my boss always sends me to places like Dwaraka, Thiruvananthapuram, all the villages, Ahobilam, etc. A marketing job. So I enjoy all the official comforts, allowances, and then at the expense of my office, I go for Divyadesha Darshanam. So that's what is the miracle. That is the miracle. You may be working under most cruel person on the earth, the most worst person on the earth. Still, if you have a sincere desire, Perumal will see that your own boss will send you to places like Divyadeshams. Akrurayanam Polavam. So Akrura didn't sleep the whole day. Tomorrow I'm going to take my Ratham chariot. I'm going to drive from Mathura to Vrindavan. I will see the footprints of Krishna and Balaram. Urugalil Shanga, Urugalil Chakkaram. I will see the Shankha Chakra Rega in the holy dust of Vrindavan. I'm going to have darshana of my Krishna Balaram, my favorite Lord, whom I have been meditating through ages. And Krishna, what he will say? Chitapa, have you come? He is going to hug me. He will come running all the way, seeing me from a distance. Will he recognize me or not? I think Vasudeva must have told him, I am related to him. The whole night, the memories. That's why Trivengala Yatrai Pauravam, people go and worship Perumal, Tiruvengadamadiyan, and Tirumala, and then after coming back, they recount. I'm so lucky, I'm so fortunate that even in this period of Corona, where people prohibit others to go outside itself, Perumal called me and gave me a wonderful darshan with no crowd. and a very less number of people. I got laddus, vadas. People say, right? They keep on remembering. How is it possible? Without, you can't even imagine having darshan of Tiruvankaramadiyan without lakhs of people. But I got the darshan. He chose me to give his darshan. Uttama shloka darshanam. This is after the darshan. Even before the darshan, when you book the ticket, 300 rupees darshan ticket online. From that day, you keep on counting, you book the tickets, you reserve the tickets. Railway ticket, place to stay, place to take prasadam, all things. So this is what is Smaranam. Everything goes on in the brain. I'll be going with so many people, I will get down at Tirupati railway station, then I'll go to Vishnu Nivasam or Srinivasam, I'll book the ticket there. I will stay there, I will go to Almere Mangapuram, have darshan, Panchami Tirtham. This is Smaranam. Everything goes on in the mind. You may not go at all. Maybe a train would have been cancelled, or due to heavy rains, train services are closed, buses may not run. But the Smarana has its own value. Perumal is pleased with your Smarana. When we do, in fact, we book the tickets 2 months before advance, the railway ticket or air ticket, flight ticket, 300 rupees ticket, then we decide how many people to go, where we'll stay, where we'll arrange for coffee, for tiffin or breakfast, lunch. We are more bothered about all these things, right? Rather than the darshan. Who will give us coffee, who will give us tiffin, who will give us lunch? Where shall I contact for all these things? How will I get laddu or vada? All these things, Smaranam. And Perumal gives a reward in the form of a wonderful darshan for a few seconds. It doesn't even last for. You might have planned for 7 months, and you'll be you'll be walking through Alipiri for 4 hours, and then stand in the queue another hour after 5 hours. When you go and have darshan, you may not get darshan even for 5 seconds, right? They throw you or pull you out. Jaragandi. There are hundreds of volunteers to pull you out from darshan of the Lord. Unfortunately, many people close their eyes when they go near the Lord. You come to have darshan, then why close eyes? You should not meditate there. So, in the Haribari, in the process, we don't even notice the Lord. Padadi Keshantam, we don't have time, we are pushed. Finally, when you come out, somebody asks, what is the color of the dhoti Perumal was wearing? You can't even see, you didn't even see him. And what is the use? Somebody asks, what is the use? You're gone, they're all there, you don't know with him. Perumal is what color dress he's wearing, and how many deities are there in the sanctum sanctorum, whether he was sitting or standing or sleeping. No problem. You took all these pains to book the ticket, and then you have been thinking of the darshan smaranam. As a reward, Perumal gives a wonderful kataksham to you. Perumal sees you. And Perumal kataksham is on ourselves, that is superior. So he scans you through his daya, chakshus. And that's enough. We may not have seen the Lord, observed the Lord from the lotus feet to head, but the Lord has observed us in this few seconds. Of course, we are always under his observations, like Lord Jagannath, right? His eyes are so big that he doesn't allow anybody to go out of the purview of his eyes, out of the diameters of his. Always constantly watching and then protecting the devotees. So that's because Tiruvengada Yatri Polam. This was our Purvacharya. Say that's Smaranam. After having darshan, you'll be thinking, I went there, I got down there. Immediately after getting done, I went to the Vishnu Nivasam, then I booked the ticket there, I took a room number 108, whatever it is. So one of my relatives who came with me wanted to have a coffee, then I went there some more. I got from my mama or mommy hot coffee, hot milk, then breakfast, whatever it is. This whole memory is a cascade. keep on refreshing themselves in the brain. That is also Smarana. Tiruvengadayathrai Paulavam. And Perumal is so Dayavan, right? Due to the devotion of, seeing the devotion of Akrura, Perumal showed him Vaikunta, right? When he was doing Sandhyavanam. Also studied in Akrur Ghat. There is a place called Akrur Ghat and Vishram Ghat. Mathura, beautiful place. Akrur Ghat is a beautiful place where Akrura took rest. And then he immersed himself in the pond there. He wanted to do Sayam Sandhyavanam. And what he saw was wonderstruck. He saw Krishna Balaram there as Adisesha and Vaikunthanatha. So Perumal showed Vaikuntham to Akrura simply because the whole previous night he didn't sleep, he didn't have a wink, because he was always thinking how Krishna will receive me, how Balaram will receive me. That is the power of Smarana. Things like Shishupala, Paundraka Vasudeva. Shishupala is well known for his adjectives. Vasavagal, Kimai, Vasavagale, Vayun, Ketpar, Shevi Shudu. Even Duryodhana used to chastise, criticize Shishupala. You call names of Krishna, but not like this. So, what is the choice of words? Why are you using such an abusive language? Duryodhana. All those people used to say it. Such a person like Shishupala, Paundraka Vasudeva. Paundraka Vasudeva challenged Perumal. I am the original, you are the duplicate. I am the original Krishna. I am original Vasudeva, you are not Vasudeva. Shalva, all always they considered Perumal as their enemy due to their asuric character. And they were thinking of Krishna. They were so envious of Krishna, they were always thinking of him while walking, playing, sleeping, or sitting. Their minds were thus occupied completely due to the fear of Krishna. And said they attained the lotus feet of Krishna. If a person who always hates Krishna, like Shishupala, can attain the lotus feet of Krishna, what to speak of one who surrenders at the lotus feet of Krishna? What to speak of one who loves him? What to speak of a person who always thinks of Krishna as his own child and does all Shringar, right? We saw in some channels like Ajika Shringar. They show live different types of dresses, different types of ornaments. You get live from Sinaji, Dwarkadish ji, Pandharpur. There are many channels show live telecast. So what to speak of those people who always meditate upon their Lord, their Perumal? What Perumal will give them? Just Vaikuntha is not enough, right? He will become servant. He will do whatever we want. Dwar Vedanta says, right? Saktam Kurute Hari. Shona Vandam, Shayum Perumal. Not Shayda, not just past tense, even now it does. So, in any way, either you think of him due to jealousness or due to enmity, Perumal will give Vaikuntha. What to speak of the one who loves him? Perumal will give himself. Tannaye tamarku nalgum thani perum marundinai. So, Vare Nayam Rupataya Shishupala Paundra Shalvadayo Gati Vilasa Vilokanadhyai Dhyayanta Ahurita Diyaha Shayana Asanado. Tatsamyam ahapura anurakta dhyam punakim. Remembrance of the Lord with all the energy we have. Whatever may be the motive, it may be due to enmity or passion, it may be due to jealousy. And Perumal will bless us. So, but this Vidvesha Bhakti, through Vidvesha Bhakti, through Bhakti which is in the form of Dvesha, in the form of enmity. In fact, Jaya and Vijaya attain the Lord very early, right? Very soon. So there are wonderful examples of this type of devotion in Bhagavatam, right? And because Jaya Vijaya themselves say, the gatekeepers in Shivaikuntam, to the Kumaras, Sanaka and other Kumaras, that you very correctly punished us by causing us to be born as mortal beings on the earth. And but you have taken pity, kindly pity upon us and bless us so that we always remember the Lord in any way, in any form. We want to attain Vaikuntha very soon because we cannot bear this separation from our service through enmity, through Vidvesha Bhakti, rather than remaining on the earth, being favorable to the Lord. So that was the condition given to them, right? That was the curse, that will be born as mortals on the earth. But we give an amendment. You can choose. You can be favorable to the Lord and live for many years on the earth, or you become enemies of the Lord and attain Him early. Which one you want? So they chose the latter. We will show Vidvesha Bhakti. We will hate Him and then we'll attain Him very soon. Because by hating Perumal, we'll be always thinking of Bhuyadado ni bhagavat dhirakari dando yo no hareta Surahelanamapyasesham Bonutapa Bhagavat Pradigno Mugo Bhave Rigatuno Brajato Radhudaha. So Jaya and Vijaya were addressing this prayer. They were the gatekeepers of Vaikuntha, you know. So they said very clearly that we may become as asuras. You give us the birth of asuras or Rakshasas, but we should always remember you. So they took the form of Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Shishupala and Dantavaktra. Perumal destroyed them form of when he incarnated as Varaha, Narasimha, Rama and Krishna. And they went back to Vaikuntha, Jaya and Vijaya. So it is not a general rule, it's a special case, exceptional case with Dvesha, that you always remember Krishna through your Dvesha. So this type of bhakti is not given importance by saints. They say love Krishna as your own child, or as your own husband, or as your own brother. That's the best way. So the Smarana Bhakti is so powerful, so important that it should lead to Prema Bhakti. Right? So Krishna faced Kamsa, Shishupala, etc. with the weapons in hand, and then gave them a wonderful spiritual glory. At the same time, he received the Gopikas with a passionate love due to their unconditional bhakti. And there the rasa. Raso vai saha That is the rasa there, Leela rasa. So one can always remember Perumal even being engaged continuously in his profession, business life, or a job. So it is easy to remember. But how? So he says, they ask the kings who were imprisoned by Jarasandha, they ask, they question the Lord, how to remember you even when we are busy in our own activities? I am busy in my administration, I'm busy in my work, in my official work. How do I remember you? Teach me, teach us. Samadishopayam yena te charanabjayogo vritiriyatha na viramedapi samsaratame. Na viramed. Should always remember without break. Remember you without break. What is the technique? You tell us. Although we are in the samsara, you should always remember your lotus feet. So kindly make us true devotees who will always remember your lotus feet while doing these samsaric activities. Just like the Vrishnis. The Vrishnis were remembering Krishna, completely their mind was in Krishna, and they engaged themselves in the daily activities. Even then also they remember in Krishna while taking rest in the bed or walking around or talking or playing, taking bath or eating, etc. So this is what Vrishnis did, it seems. Shuka says that Shaya means when sleeping, sitting in bed. Asana, Shayasana, Atana means walking, taking. Nowadays people go for a walk, right? Everybody has become a doctor. So themselves, they take their own cell phone and then they count how many steps I walked. 10,000 steps today. Okay, fine. Think that I am fit because I walked 10,000 steps today. Like that, even while walking, the Vishnus were thinking of Krishna. Shayya, asana, atana, alapa, talking. Krida while playing. Snana, taking bath. Ashana means eating. Ashanadishu and the like. So the Vishnus was always thinking of Krishna, whatever activities they did. And Krishna says to Uddhava, a person who cuts his desires, his connection with all external things, and dedicates his mind completely to me, he attains the state of bliss. Obviously. Yat pitatmana sabhya nirapekshasya sarvata mayatmana sukham yattat utattat vishayatmana mayavashya manobuddhi manmana bhava madbhakta bhava madhyaji bhava mam namaskuru, etc. How can people whose mind is always an external object can attain that bliss? They cannot. Akincanasya dantasya shantasya samacetasa maya santushta manasa sarva sukha maya dishaha. A person who has got nothing else, who doesn't consider anything as his own, everything is Parama's property, I am his trustee. This house is not my house. His house and I am the trustee. So I have to keep it clean. This is not my house. My house, I can throw things anywhere, keep anywhere. But this is Parama's house, I have to keep it clean, neat. Not for people who come here, not for people to appreciate my house. Perumal should appreciate. Oh, you're taking care of my house wonderfully. Similarly, not only this external house, but also the heart. Heart is a temple, right? Usham Shanti Annenjame Punayam Kanni Anaduraya. கண்கள் சிவந்து பெரியவாய் வாயும் சிவந்து. This is the meditation Nammalwar does. வாயும் சிவந்து கணிந்து இந்தே உள்ளே வெண்பரிலக விலக மகர குண்டலத்தன் குண்டல் வண்ணன் சுடர்முடியன் நான்கு தோழன் உன் சங்கதேவாளாடியானொருவன் அடியேனுள்ளானே. Perumal is there with the Panchayudas, with laughing, a smile on his face, and he is there inside protecting me. I can see him, I can feel him, Nammalwar says. So, this Smaranam, how to remember you always? Gopikas saying, pray to Perumal, cry to Perumal. Even when we are in samsara, we do some job for our daily wages, right? Braja means mainly nomadic types. Now they go for greener pastures. So how do we earn our bread, our food? We have to do some job, right? So bless us that even if we are in a worldly life, you should always remember your lotus feet. Ahuschate nalinanabha adaravindam yogeshwarai hridhi vichindyam agadabodaihi. Even your lotus feet, is to be contemplated and meditated upon by the yogis, right? But I cannot do that. Tapasya. Ahu samsara kopa patita charana patita charanavalambam geham jujamapi manas yudiyat sudhanaha. Right? Your lotus feet uplift those who have fallen into the samsara, into the pit of samsara. And we should always remember that lotus feet only by your grace, because that gives a wonderful bliss, even for a fraction of a second. So completely give us this boon of remembering you. We should be able to remember you only through your grace. Akinchana, Krishna says, Akinchana dantasya santasya samachetasaha maya santushta manasaha sarvaha sukhamaya dishaha. Right? When he has dedicated mind completely, he wants nothing. He doesn't want anything from me. He wants me. That's all. Na parameshtyam na mahendradishyam na sarvabhaumam na rasadhipatyam na yoga siddhira punarbhavam vamayat pitat mechati madhinam madhi na anyat. He wants only me, nothing else. You can't cheat him. I can't cheat a sincere devotee, because he wants me alone. He doesn't want anything else from me. Right? He wants nothing but me. He wants me alone. Why Perumal descends? There is avatar rahasyam, right? What is this avatar rahasyam? What is the secret of his avatar? The devotee wants him, so Perumal descends. That's all. As simple as that. He wants to kill a Ravana or Hiranyakashipu or Hiranyaksha. That he can do sitting at Vaikuntha. Just his sankalpa is enough. But he comes down to give his darshan to the saints, because the devotees want him to see. He comes in the human form. He walks all the way, thousands of kilometers in the forest to give darshan to all the Maharshis. In the Dandakaranya, where even dangerous animals also, they fear to tread in such a place. Perumal goes there to give darshan. He doesn't go alone, he goes with Adishesha Mahalakshmi, because he has to deliver those people. That's why he comes down. That's why these are avatars, right? So, my devotees, now Perumal is saying to Uddhava, my devotees do not want anything else but me. Even if they give the position of Brahma, Indra, Shiva, yogic powers, mystical powers, no. Even if I give moksha, apunar bhavamba, They don't want all those things. Just they want me to grace them, to bless them with daya. Like they want me to fill their hearts with my daya, passion. So always remembering with love. This is Prema Bhakti, is the utmost, is the ultimate place, which is practiced by even sages. Bhajantyata swamataye kasadahu. So even after attaining the Brahma Jnana, right, people love you more. Why this Sri Bhashyam? Sri Bhashyam, Ragasatsar, Gita Bhashyam. All these things, Grantha Chatushtayam is to enjoy Lord and attain the bliss here itself. Bhashyam Rangam Ivaparam. Aparam Rangam Bhashyam. That is where Ramanuja's first ajna is. Ramanujarya Divyajna. Learn Shibhashyam and preach the rasam in it to others. So, to preach about Perumal's Daya, one has to experience that love, infinite love of Perumal. Only then he can give a drop to others. Unless I am immersed in the nectar of devotion, how can I share it with others or give it to others? Then Narada says that after realizing Perumal in his heart, he continued to remember him while preaching about the glories of the Lord. Drishtam tavam giriyugalam. I had the darshan of your lotus feet. Janata pavargam, where the Prapannas find bliss, the lotus feet. Brahma Devir Hirdi Vichintya Magada Bodhihi. Perumal, Brahma, Shiva. Anybody cannot even think of that lotus feet. That lotus feet, you gave it to me. Samsara Kopa Patitottaranavalambam. One who has fallen in the Kupa. Kupa means well of samsara, pit of samsara. Patitottaranavalambam Jayam Charam Yanagrihan Yatha Smriti Syat. So even a person who has fallen in the deep pit of samsara is uplifted by remembering you, by doing smarana bhakti. So I am being blessed by the darshan of your lotus vidarshana for me, and I will move all over the world, all over the universe, thinking of your holy feet. Kindly bless me so that I can always remember. That remembrance should be there permanently. So therefore, abandon all desires for temporary pleasure, and we have to sincerely desire for smarana bhakti. Perumal himself says this. Tasmad asadabhidhyanam. Do not think of worldly objects. Yata swapnamanoratham. It is like a dream. Itva mayi samadatsva manobhava bhavitam. Fix your mind on me with love and devotion. It is easy to say, fix your mind on me. Who should fix? Perumal only has to fix. Unless until he shows his feet, we cannot reach his feet, right? For that we have to pray. Show me your feet. He will show. Kannanadi yenai. Yamakka kaatum verpu. Krishna is showing his lotus feet, right? Unless he shows, how can we find his lotus feet? So he is showing his lotus feet to his devotees because they want to see the lotus feet, have darshan of the lotus feet, to remember the lotus feet. Urudu Edu Yen Manane. This is the first stanza, right? First poem. Urudedan Manane. Urudu Edu Yen Manane. So he's addressing his own mind. Touch shoulder of that lotus feet. Shudaradi. Shudaradi. Shudari is what? Shudari is Lakshmi. The Lakshmi Narayana should always live in my heart. Why Hanuman is known to be a greatest devotee? Very simple. Siya Ramalakana Sita Man Basi Aaye. Siya Ramalakana Man Basi Aaye. Sita Raman Lakshman Siya Ramalakana always reside in the heart of Hanuman. Siya Ramalakana Sita Man Basi Aaye. Another meaning is that if you always think of meditating upon the Perumal, he also keeps on meditating upon you. He always thinks of you. He loves you. So Hanuman is present in the heart of Siya, Ram and Sita, Ram and Lakshman. So this is the power of meditation. This is the power of dhyana. The power of smaranam. Ante Narayana Smriti. Whatever you do, whatever achievement you do, if you don't remember Perumal the last second, then you are finished. Again, 84 lakh species of life. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janane, jatade sainam, iha samsare, bhagaduttare, kripaya pare, pahi murare, bhagavindam. I'm afraid of this chakra, this wheel of birth, death, old age. This is birth. How many beings, how many terms? God, so many lakhs of species. 84 lakhs. After I become a human being, if I commit any blunder again, the repetition again, the evolution process. My God, I don't want that. Bhajagovindam. This is what Shankaracharya says, right? Marana is the supreme form of devotion by which you can capture the Lord permanently in your heart. For that remembrance, for that Smaranam to be successful, one has to do prapatti at the lotus feet of the Lord and enjoy the bliss of Perumal Sudarshan. This is the essence of Smarana Bhakti. So I should stop up to this point. Any question answers, please? Question answer session. Questions, doubts? Anybody? Questions? Suresh கேட்டாதான் சொல்லுவாங்க. I think if Suresh asks me, they will ask questions. He is the official person who will request for questions.
Right.
Yeah.
Anyone has any question, please?
Yeah, son, I got some doubt.
Again, Jai Sudasla Mama, Veena here.
Yeah.
Mama, usually whenever we get any health issues, like major health
Sound
problems,
not clear. Sound not clear. Now you can.
when we get health issues like major health problems, usually when we go to Prapatti, it says like we have to leave it to his lotus feet. He will take care of us. As a human being, most of the time, if it is major thing, we somehow I don't want to say it's, we don't have faith, but it's very commonly we feel that we go and ask for the better health. So is it a right thing to ask for the, or is it good to say, think that it's my prarabdha karma that he's taking away all the prarabdha karmas through this health issue. So that way, commonly we hear from people, they say, how come you are praying to him a lot, but still he is giving you a lot of health issues? But my point is, I feel it's my prarabdha karmas are taking away. But in that time, when we get the wavering mind, whether to ask, I mean, Vennapam to give Vennapam to Perumal, or still simply doing the smarana is, what is the best way?
Your both points are correct, that Perumal removes our prarabdha through disease. Naranam Kshina Papanam Krishna Bhakti Praja Janmantara Papam becomes Vyadi. Vyadi Rupena Janmantara Kritam Papam Vyadi Rupena Bhadate. How to remove bad karma? We do some Bhagavad Upchar. The Perumal will slap us by giving some injury or some disease or something like that. So that is an atonement. Because all the karma has to be removed, whether punya or papa, before you go to Vaikuntha. That's correct. But suppose it is unbearable, what to do? The philosophy around it will all work out as long as we are perfectly fine. If something happens to us, then what to do? So that is the reason why prayers are being given, right? Dhanvantari, Achyutananda Govinda Namocharana Bhedajat, Shanti Sakala Roga Satyam Satyam Padamyam. This is what Vyasa says. Just say Achyutananda Govinda. So our elders, they used to take medicine by chanting this sloka. Achyutananda Govinda Namocharana Bhedajat, Nashanti Sakala Rogaha Satyam Satyam Badamyam. Right? They take medicine. So what is the purpose of Dhanvantari? What is the purpose of Ayurveda? That's also given by Perumal, right? We have to keep a perfect health, first of all. Right? So we have to do devotional service. That is the aim of life, right? Kutrevanaங்களை கொள்ளாமல் போகாது. So small kankaryams. If you want to do some kankaryam, your body should be fit. So further you can pray, give me a good health so that I can do a better service, better devotional service. So that's not kamya, right? Give me a wonderful muscle, wonderful body with biceps so that I can beat 10 people. That is wrong. Or I want to flex my muscle to somebody or threaten somebody. That is kamya. Keep me fit in such a way that I should do more devotional service to physical devotional service. The temple, the priests, Bhagavatas, Acharyas, all elders. That's not kamya. Further you can pray. Some medicines are there. Ayurveda is there. So one should definitely take care of the health. One can always pray for his good health. But the prayer should be like this. Give me a wonderful health so that I can do more devotional service. That's all. This is what Perumal wants. So we should not, on the other hand, we should not assume that I have got 100% Mahavishwasam, so I won't take any medicine. That is nonsense. Right? We cannot assume that we have 100%. Medicines are meant, Ayurveda is meant to be taken. So take medicine, be healthy, do more devotional service. It is not, you can't say that you don't have faith. Sharire jajjari bhute vyadigraste kalevare. Right? Idam shariram parinama peshalam padatyavashtam sasanti jarjaram. Right? Aruttavanai nindra mamani vanna. So many pramanas. But medicines have to be taken. It could be allopathy or homeopathy, whatever it is, to keep the body fit. And that keeping the body fit is not for our sense enjoyment, but for devotional service. So you must pray to God to give you good health so that you can do a better devotional service than what you are doing. Nothing wrong with that. Yes, I have done that. And you can always pray for others' health also. Nothing wrong with that. Sarve jana sikhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. It is not kamya. You should pray, you should link that devotional service. Very, very important. Otherwise, it will become kamya. Bhagavat Prityartham, Sriman Narayana Prityartham. I should have a wonderful, strong, robust health. I should do yogasana. Why yogasana? Atha yoga anusasanam. Why yoga is meant there? Why Patanjali wrote Yoga Shastra? Nothing wrong in asking for good health, but add a corollary, a rider. for the sake of devotional service. That's all. Clear? Yeah, there is a question from Anu that Dvesha Bhakti, Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakasipu did sins, then how it is considered Bhakti? Right? So the question is here, they were constantly remembering Hari because they hated Hari. Hiranyakasipu wanted to take revenge due to the killing of his brother by Hari. So he said, I will avenge. He promised, I will avenge, I will kill Hari and come back. So he was always thinking of one goal, to kill Hari, to take revenge on Hari for his brother's death. The question here is, he was always constantly thinking of Hari. When will I see him? When will I kill him? So Bhagavatam says, even if you think of him that way, but you are thinking, right? Smarana. 24 hours you are thinking of. Kamsa was 24 hours. Harikkelanagi தாந்திங்கு நினைந்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து கஞ்சன் விஜயத்தில் நெருப்பனன் விருடுமானி தாந்திங்கு நினைந்த always thinking of Krishna, when he will come, when he will pounce up, when will I kill him. Even in that way, even if you hate Perumal and then think him that way, Perumal gives him liberation. That is his grace, that is his greatness. That is the power of Smarana Bhakti. Even if it is in the Dvesha mood, even if you hate him. Love and hate are two sides of the same coin. Right? The person whom you love the most, you will also hate. Two sides of the same coin. Hate cannot come without love. Right? Similarly, Perumal considers that way. Oh, this fellow loves me a lot, that's why he's hating. That is the greatness of Perumal. So what? How can we question it? So how can I ask? How can we ask it? How is it Bhakti? Perumal considers it Bhakti. That is the question. Bhagavatam says, even that Dvesha, even the enmity by Kamsa or Shishupala, Perumal considers it as Bhakti and gives them liberation. So what to speak of a person who offers with love a milk, a glass of milk? Perumal will give everything. When he gave moksha to Putana who brought poison, what to speak of a person who offers milk with love? He will give himself. Tannaye tamarthu nalgum, tani perum marundine. That is the answer. Question is, underlining point is, the undercurrent is smarana. Smarana. That's important. 24 hours. Thinking of smarana. Always. Not so easy. Jaya Vijay Avataram is completed with Kamsa. He is going to come smile in Kali Yuga and disrupt Bhagavatas. Now in Kali Yuga, everybody is a Kamsa and everybody is a Duryodhana. And everybody is a Rakshasa. There's no norm, no dharma, right? No ethics, no moral code. Nobody is afraid of adharma, right? Everybody is a Kamsa, everybody is a Duryodhana. Everybody is a Dushasana. So, Perumal will come as Kalki. So, it is inevitable. You can see the degradation of society, right? So people do anything for wealth or money. The drug industry, right? The whole world is in the hands of drug peddlers, terrorists. All are asuras now, hidden asuras. So, Kaliga and Kalki Vishnu is Asuta Kalikata Kanushya Kulankushaha. Okay, next question. Anybody else? Any other question? You can type. Problem. Yeah, somebody Anu said that we also fight and shout at him when we go through problem. Yes, we are human beings, so we are not Narada or Shukadeva or Vyasa. When you get problems, we shout. Sometimes some people they don't go to the temple at all. They don't go to their Acharyan because they will come. What did I get by doing all these things? I am doing Trikara Sandhyan for the last 50 years. What did I get? Kya mila mujhe? I am talking of Dharma. That fellow does Adharma and then he is progressing in leaps and bounds, exponential growth. Now I am in arithmetic progression. So it comes Kali, power of Kali. Kali corrupts the brain, right? I am doing my daily course, Sandhyavandanam, Thiruvaradhana. What am I getting? That fellow is an Astika, doesn't follow anything, but then he is growing exponentially. So there lies the secret, there lies the catch. Come what may, you follow Dharma. Come what may. I will follow Dharma, that's all. Even if Perumal comes and tests, I will follow Dharma. I will not deviate from Dharma, right? So many people persuaded Rama to leave Dharma, including his own mother Kaikeyi. I only asked your father, he is gone. Come back. Jabari said, who has seen hell? Who has seen heaven? Oh, this is all humbug nonsense. Come back, enjoy, become the king. Even when Vasishtha himself persuades Rama, Rama says no. Strong no, firm no, affirmative no. That's why we are watching Rama today. Namo vigrahavan dharmaha sanatana dharma. Krishnam dharmam sanatanam. Dharma is dharma. Dharma will give you troubles throughout your life, but at the end you will be happy. The end will be very happy. The living is very tough. Follow Dharma. For asuras, it's very nice. They will be very comfortable. The lost end, Dharma will just slice them for every act of adharma. Like Duryodhanas, right? On the Kauravas, they were very happy 13 years. Later on, they were chopped one by one in front of their own eyes. That is the result of adharma. Yes, any other question? My answers are not supreme. They are not. Don't take it as Supreme Court or something like that. Ask more people same question. They'll give you more interesting answers, better answers. Yeah, but you could get same question you ask to different people, you get different answers according to their perception. Keep on asking. Bahubhya shrotavyam bahuda shrotavyam. Ask questions, not to test them, but to get a better answer. Any other question? Okay, meet again the next Javanam Kirtana Swaranam Padasevam, right? We'll announce the dates later, very soon.
Okay.